In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a second Google account to Gmail. Launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right menu, click on Gmail. In the top right corner, click on the profile icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Add Account. Now you can either create an account or add an existing account. In my case, I will add an existing account. Enter your secondary Gmail address here. Now enter the password for the secondary account. This is the inbox for our secondary account. If I click on the profile icon, you can see that there are two accounts signed in now. To access the previous account, you just have to click on it. Here you can see that we have two tabs with two different Gmail addresses. This way, you can switch and access all your Gmail addresses easily. If you want to remove an address, click on the profile icon again. In the drop-down menu, click on Sign Out of All Accounts. Yeah, this is the only problem with this process. If you want to sign out, you need to sign out of all the accounts. After you have signed out, Google will ask you to sign in to your default account. On this page, click on Sign In again. Click on Next. Enter the password for your default Gmail ID. After signing in, click on the profile icon and remove the account you want to remove. Following these steps, you can add and remove a secondary account in Gmail easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.